as you look further down, nothing left to see. If it hurts and you can't take no more, lay it all on me. No, you don't have to keep it on a lock and key, 'cause I will never let you down. And if you can't escape of your uncertainties, maybe I can show